Have you tried Octopus Kare-Kare? Chef Bham Garcia just had a cooking demo at Seafood City, Houston. And free tasting sa lahat ng pumunta. Brought to you by Lumikha Tasting Menu Super Club and Philippine American Chamber of Commerce of Texas, Greater Houston Region.
I came from a restaurant called Alinea, which is a Michelin restaurant. Before Alinea, I was at Guy Savoy and Robuchon, so that was my first infatuation with cooking.
That's why he made a kare-kare with a twist. Parang pang Michelin star.
We're gonna start with
Coconut oil, onions, garlic, and lemongrass or tanglad. Nilagay niya rin ang pamana coconut milk, peanut butter, chicken stock, and the pamana patis. And of course, dapat hindi makalimutan ang pamana pang kare-kare mix.
you have the peanut tastes, you have the thickener, and it has the achoete, the anato color. So it's gonna impart color, flavor, and viscosity. Add half.
And that's the kare-kare sauce. Pero hindi pa pala tapos. Akalain mo nilagay sa blender.
I love kare-kare. Filipinos, for sure, we love kare-kare. But this one is a different version of it. I'm really excited that Chef Bham is willing to share his talent and skills. And of course, later on, we'll get to taste a delicious version of his kare-kare.
Pati ang bagoong blenderized. Nilagyan ng coconut sugar, konting oil, and turn it on. All ingredients are available at the Seafood City Supermarket and more affordable if you downloaded the Seafood City app. Now it's time to cook the octopus. Chef Bham did sous vide cooking, but then there are so many ways to cook it, like boiling or pan frying. It's actually up to you. The petchay or bok choy were grilled at nung maluto na, he sliced them. Pero ang parsley dapat chopped. Also the peanuts dapat chopped din. And this time, he was already assisted by Ms. Tess Tuazon from the Philippine American Chamber of Commerce, Texas, Greater Houston Region. And those leafy vegetables, nilagyan ng lemon at hinalo. And finally, it's finished! Eggplant, mixed leafy vegetables, octopus, sauce, and he added cuts of watermelon radish. Now we have a high-quality octopus kare-kare.
All right, let's get Chef Bham.
How was your experience today?
It was great. I've been to Chef Bham's restaurant. A little bit different of a style, was really good. And the explanation was really great as well.
And eto na, the food tasting. At talaga namang napakasarap. Thank you so much, Chef Bham. Seafood City, Houston, Lumikha, and the Philippine American Chamber of Commerce, Texas. On behalf of Seafood City Supermarket, this is Darlene Reyes, FilAm Connection.